Hello guys. Guys, you can already hear the sound of the flowing river or water. There's big stones out there, very big stones. So guys, these are the big stones I was talking about. It's very tall, and big and huge. Hi guys. We are already here in the waterfall. You can already see the road and focus karo. So guys, this is the beauty. It's a very beautiful place. Very scary place. We came from here, and yeah, we came through that road, and then that is the only bamboo we're going to come up now. So bye bye. Well guys, so this was it for today. So we have enjoyed very much, and we have seen, I have seen along with my friends, I've seen